Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens. All right, so I'm making this video today specifically to help Miss London. We're trying some different things, but it's also definitely to help you. So I want to show you a little bit about how you can access assignments. So Miss London is going to be posting some quizzes to your Khan Academy pretty soon. So when you click on the quiz, if you notice my screen's kind of freaking out right now, I'm just letting it load until that quiz pulls up. So let's say we go ahead and we try the quiz. So we get in here, we go in, we're like, oh, we're trying this out. No, no, look, I got a wrong answer. Hold on. Let me try again. Oh, man, I still don't quite have it. Crud. So I could just skip this question for now. I could get help. I could watch the video or use a hint. But what I specifically want to show you is how you can go back into lessons and be able to see how you can get the practice needed to help you on whatever quiz you have. Again, this is not the quiz that you will have. This is actually for algebra. I'm just using my class setup to make this video. So if we go ahead and close out, you'll notice it brings us to this page. This is the quiz we were just working on right here, quiz 1. And if I scroll up, if I had done well on the quiz, these areas would have increased. I can get up to 100 points to show mastery on that. And if you'll notice, every single skill that I have that comes for this first quiz has not been raised at all. So what you do is you go back, and like I noticed, this very first one is at 0. That means I need to practice that. So you can watch this video. Notice it says polynomials intro. Well, after you watch this polynomials intro or whatever video it is that goes along with that, you go and you do the practice that directly relates to that. Right after that, it's got another practice. It doesn't have a video for this one, so the information for this is also contained within this video. But after watching this video, I can do the practice, and then be able to move on to this next section. Once I've got these raised up, I believe 80 is the highest you can get unless you're taking the test. With the test, you can get to 100, but through the practice, the highest you can get is 80 because it does offer hints and help along the way. For multiplying, so then we go on to the next section. We get these skills up. We're showing these as 80 out of 100 or somewhere around there. Then we come on to the next section, and you notice there's a video called Multiplying Binomials, Area Model. Here, same thing. So I could watch this video, do this practice. Watch this video, do this practice. Watch this video, do this practice. And then you notice it says get 3 of 4 questions to level up. So if I get 3 out of 4 when I do the practice, it's going to show this increase. Once I've got these skills leveled up, then I go back and try the quiz again. So again, you go in, you click the quiz. Let me find the quiz here. We go in. I've assigned it slightly differently. Miss London will be assigning quiz only. You click on that quiz. It brings you to the page. Give it a second to finish freaking out. We start it. If you get a 75% or better, just move on to the next one. All right? If you do not get a 75% or better, that's where you're going to come back in. It brings you right here to the page where you just finished trying the quiz. Do the practice problems and watch the videos. And then try again until you get a 75% or better. It should be noted, just because you have a 75% doesn't mean you can't try again. In fact, if you get a 75% and you want to try for that 100%, I strongly recommend going back and either retrying the quiz, or if you got a 75% on the first time, come back in, look which skills do you need to improve on. Then, once you get those skills up, try again. All right, you're able to redo that to be able to get the highest score possible. This part of it is going to be counting towards your IB score. And then if you get the 75% or higher, that also counts towards your practice time. If you do not have a 75% or higher on each quiz or test assigned, then you must have at least 3 hours of practice time, either logging on to Khan or logging in and asking your teacher questions. Well, that's all I've got for now. If you have any questions, feel free to email the appropriate teacher. And I hope that this helps you with with your learning process. I hope you're really taking it into your own hands and saying that you are the master of your own learning. Anyways, have a good one, and just keep moving in the halls, okay? No standing. Get moving. You're blocking the hallway.